at the Culver City stairs. We're not at the stairs yet. The stairs are up there, but we made it to the top. Yeah. So we are at the stairs of hell, or the Culver City stairs. And as you can see, they have, these are the stairs. Go down these. Literally, it's this and more. Like, it goes straight down. It goes from here and then it goes straight down. I don't know if you can see how steep it is, but it goes straight down. You see the people coming up. And this is a little area that they have here. So when you come up, you can sit and rest. Look at my man over there. No, not him. My man right here. There. But this is a pretty view because you can see whole Los Angeles. It's really nice. My man, he mad. He wants to go walking.
Bro, what are you doing, bro? Real shit. What are you honestly doing, bro?
I'm halfway up the stairs. I don't know why. I'm just holding myself like I'm real fast. Yeah, it's back here, like, give me why I wasn't here, but I was frozen. You should have stood my shit, man. I was genius, Lord. I was thirsty real fast. But this is definitely, might not look hard, but it's very wide and steep. We're doing it, we're almost there.
So, we just did it. Came down, up and down the stairs. Came up and down the stairs here. And it was tiring. We did it though. We did it. Yeah, we did it. I'm tired, but we did it.
Get the thumbnail.